Hi friends! The DMAX function in Microsoft Excel is used to calculate the largest number in a field of records in a database that matches conditions you have specified. Do you want to know how you can use the DMAX function in an Excel worksheet? Here are the steps to do so. Open the desired Excel worksheet. Select the cell where you want to get the function's result. Click on the Insert Function button. In the Search for a Function box, type DMAX and then click the Go button. Select DMAX from the list and then click the OK button. Click on the Database box and then select the database range that, for example, includes name of products, place, quantity, and amount here. Click on the Field box and then select the field range, which for demo purpose here is price. Click on the Criteria box and then select the criteria range, which for example here is laptop. It is also showing the result here. Click on OK to get the result, that is the highest price of laptop in the cell that we selected earlier. If you change the product name in the criteria table, it'll show the result according to the new added product. See? That wasn't hard at all. Thanks for watching.